Hello and welcome to Akshu's Kitchen. Today we will see how to prepare chicken roll, for which we will need the following ingredients: 250 grams of chicken breast fillets cut into small pieces, half a teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder and quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, that is jeera powder, 1 medium sized tomato, 2 large cloves of garlic and 1 small piece of ginger, 1 medium sized onion and 1 small sized onion, some coriander leaves and 1 green chili. First we are going to marinate the chicken with the turmeric powder, chili powder and the salt. We are going to mix it well with the chicken and we are going to keep it aside for about 15 to 20 minutes. Next we are going to chop the coriander leaves, green chili, onion and tomato. Note that I have chopped only the medium sized onion and I am reserving the small onion. I have also grinded the ginger and garlic into a fine paste. Next I am going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan and I am going to add the chopped medium sized onion. Fry it for a minute and then I am going to add the ginger and garlic paste. Again fry it for a minute and then it is time to add the chopped tomatoes. Fry it until it becomes soft and pulpy like this, and now add the marinated chicken and mix it well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. And now the chicken is dry with all the moistures absorbed, and now I am going to add the spice powders, that is the coriander powder, the garam masala and the jeera powder. Mix it well and now it's time to add about 1 cup of water and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes until all the water is absorbed. And now the chicken is well cooked. Now I am going to add the coriander leaves. I am adding only half of the coriander leaves. And now your chicken is ready. Allow it to cool to room temperature. Now I have sliced the reserved small onion and I am using half of the coriander leaves and green chili. Now I am going to mix this to the cooled chicken masala. I am doing this because if you add this in the hot chicken, the onions and leaves will get cooked. In order to get a crunchy effect in the wrap, we need to add it only after the chicken is cooled, or else the onions will lose its crunchiness. So that's the reason I am allowing the chicken to cool for a while before adding the onions, green chilies and coriander leaves. This crunchy onion really gives a good taste to the chicken roll. Mix it well and keep it aside. For the outer wrap, I have prepared the dough with equal proportions of wheat flour and plain flour. That is, for half a cup of wheat flour, I have used half a cup of plain flour. I have added about quarter teaspoon of salt to it and I have prepared the dough and I am kneading it. The reason for using equal proportion of wheat flour and plain flour is you can roll it out into a very thin wrap. Now I am going to cook the wrap in a hot tawa. In a few seconds it will start to bubble up and at that stage you can turn it the other side, and again in a few seconds it will bubble up again, and now the outer wrap is also ready to use. Now in the wrap I am going to spread some of the chicken stuffing in one side of the wrap and I am going to roll it out. Roll from the side and fold the edges inside so that the stuffing does not comes out, and just continue rolling it and your chicken roll or chicken wrap is ready. You can cut it into 2 pieces and serve. This is a really delicious snack. Thank you for watching Akshu's Kitchen.